Hello all. So today in this video I am here with another international workshop on extreme hydrogeneity systems. So this is going to be held in South Korea in the month of April 2 to 5th in 2022. So the details regarding this conference is given over here. Sorry, workshop is given over here. So the objective, scopes and topic of the workshop we can see. The goal of the workshop is to provide a forum to discuss new and emerging solutions to address these important challenges from the upcoming extreme heterogeneity era. Papers are being sought on many aspects of heterogeneous computing, including, and it is also given that this topic is not constrained to this topic only, hence it is given us but not limited to. So, the things which this workshop is covering are heterogeneous programming environment and runtime systems, then heterogeneous solutions for HPC and scientific applications, then heterogeneous architectures, which is including non-Ben Newman architectures also. Then reliability, benchmarking and measurements. The important dates regarding this workshop is the paper submission deadline is on February 11th, 2022. Then the notification of acceptance is then from March 7, 2022. So the camera ready papers after acceptance have to be submitted on March 21st, 2022, and final workshop day is on April 2 to 5th on 2022. The steering committee members are given over here. Then the organization coach as is also given. So if you need any doubts you can contact them. They have given their mail ID too. Then the programming committee is also given. So the manuscript submission, so the details regarding this manuscript submission is given over here. So papers reporting original and unpublished research results and experience or solicited. Papers must not exceed 6 pages in standard ACM 2-column conference format. ACM templates for Microsoft Word as well as LaTeX is given over here. Then the submission link they have given as EC chair and it is given over here. So an important announcement is all accepted papers will be published in this EXHET PPOPP Workshops 2022 Proceedings, and which is in the ACM Digital Library, and also some selected best papers of this workshop will be considered for publication in a special issue of the International Journal Electronics. So some keynotes regarding this workshop is also given. So if you want some details regarding this keynote, you can mention check over here. Then the invited talk details is also given. So the panel members they are also given. So if you are interested in this workshop means you can register in this website. So these are the details regarding this workshop. So if you are interested in proceeding your paper in a workshop which is going to be published in a ACM proceedings means you can go with this workshop. So thank you.